Hi guys, Dr. Wendy Dearborne here from the Laws of Attraction in Action. If you are listening on Facebook, please subscribe, like, and hit that notification button so that you will be notified every time I upload a video on the Laws of Attraction in Action, and anything else for that matter. So guys, as we move forward in our understanding of Transmute, let me just broaden our perspective a little bit so we have a greater understanding. Transmute. The word transmute is broken down into trans, which is to move across, through, or beyond. Okay, it's about movement, moving. Mute is about silence or choosing to refrain from speech. So how does movement and silence assist and support you in utilizing the universal laws of attraction? Well, one of the things that I said earlier is simply this. We can use past experiences, we can repurpose past experiences into a new and vibrant energy by transmutation. It's kind of like all in how you look at it. But that being said, to transmute, it's about going into your mind. It's about making that choice and then setting that intention and holding firm with commitment and discipline to actually go into, as I call it, the recesses of your mind, or as some people call it, the theater of your mind, and look at situations that are going on and transmute them, change them by moving them, by using the silence, the mental silence that you can have. And what I mean is to stop that chatter, to stop the chatter that goes on. So to be in silence so that you can actually hear insightful things coming to you, and or so you're able to actually move back from the situation and just view it with fresh new eyes without all the talk. Silence, there's the law of silence, incidentally, guys. Let me just read this to you very, very quickly. There's actually a universal law of silence, if I can find this stuff right. The universal law of silence, and this is how it rolls into transmute, okay? The universal law of silence provides you with a private place or a personal space for you to grow. It's a growing place so that you can actually grow your dreams, your wants, and your desires. Silence and the universal law of silence and being in your private place and that growing place allows you to expand your consciousness, expand your conscious understanding of you and the things that are going on around you. It gives you and your imagination a limitless and unlimited canvas upon which to paint. You see, the canvas in your imagination are the things that you will see that you want to come into manifestation. And before anything can come into manifestation, guys, you have to see it. You have to see it in your mind's eye. You have to see it. It's as plain and simple as that. You have to see it. Silence gives you a chance to connect with yourself at that level so that you can see, so you can use that canvas within your imagination and create in your mind the things that you want for your life. You know, it's like going on a magical mystery tour. You can use your mind to do whatever it is that you want to do. And on top of it, it's private, it's personal, and it's a safe place for you to be. So the universal law of silence is definitely a part of our ability to transmute. It's definitely a part of our ability to actually use movement, because there's a universal law of movement. So it's definitely a part of our ability to use movement so that we can take something that has happened to us and transmute it. We can take something that has happened to us and use transmutation to repurpose a situation that may or may not be holding you in bondage, a situation that has happened or an experience that you've had years ago. Look at your life. Where can you get more energy from? Are there things, people, places, and things that you're holding on to that you actually need to let go of? Look at the situation and see where you can transmute them. Look at what it is that you want to transmute. What is it that you don't want in your life anymore? Look at it. And then we'll begin the process of, and it's really simple. The process is really simple to begin transmutation. So I'm Dr. Wendy Dearborne. Until the next time, guys, enjoy and recognize that the laws of attraction in action are for you. And the first law is to make a choice. I'm Dr. Wendy Dearborne. Until next time, guys, peace.